Hi guys, I am back here at the studio and I am working on phase 2 of the secretary desk. I have my drawers in front of me. I already trimmed them down nice and neat with the fabric. So now I'm just going to throw on the glue. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm finishing up my third drawer with the glue. As it dries, I'll head over to the desk and work on the inside. Once it's dry though, I will head back over and I'll use my X-Acto knife and cut out the details along the hardware. Let's get going. So I just taped out this leather panel here on the desk portion, just to ensure it does not get any paint on it. And what I'm going to do is I decided to go with the charcoal gray on this part and up through the sides, and then this section here, the shelving part, I'm going to do in black. And then I really thought it would be really fun to throw on a little bit of this fabric from the drawers that'll be below on the bottom parts of each little shelf here. So I thought that would tie it all together. And then of course I'll probably do this in gold, just tie in with the hardware below that I'll do in gold. And then how cute is this drawer? I'm going to put a little fabric in here too, just to tie it all together. So I'm going to get started first with my gray and then I'll move on to black. I thought it would be really fun to add a little bit of upholstery tack around the leather portion. And then if it goes well, which of course it's going to go well, I might also add them on the outside just to tie it all together. Just finishing up the gold here on this little handle. I ended up adding the tacks to the drawer as well, so just ties it all together, which is super cute. So now I'm going to cut out this fabric into little squares that are going to get glued down here in these little sections. So yeah, let's get cutting. This wraps up phase 2 of this secretary desk. Moving on to day 3.